Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth lecture of Python programming. In the previous lecture, we talked about data type in Python and we classified it into 6 different sections: numerical type, sequence type, mapping type, set type, boolean type, and binary types. In this lecture, we will learn about 4 different types of sequence data type, which is list, tuple, set, and dictionary. List is a collection of items which is ordered that have a unique index and changeable, which means after declaring a list, its item can be changed easily, and it allows duplicate member. For example, if we have a list of numbers 1 2 3, we can duplicate a number 1 1 2 3. Tuple is a collection of data, is a collection of elements which is ordered but unchangeable. Its element can't be changed after declaring and allows duplicate member. Set is a collection of items which is unordered. There's no index in a set and not indexing, no duplicate member. Each element is unique and can be duplicated in the set. Dictionary is a collection of items which is unordered but it can be changed. It's a changeable type. No duplicate member. Its element can be duplicated. List. Python list. A list is a collection of data of any data type. For example, we have list of integer numbers, list of float numbers, list of boolean, list of complex numbers, and it can be a list of various types. For example, if you take example x equal first element, second element, third element, x is a list, its element all are strings, y equal 1 2 4 7, list of integers, z equal print x print y and print z. Three different lists that have different data type in its elements. In Python, the programmer can reach to a specific element by its unique index. For example, print x of 1 m. Usually the index starts from 0. Index 0, Saman. Index 1, m. Index 2, Almufti. In list, the index starts from 0 to the length minus 1. Index 1, index 0, index 1, index 2. And we can have negative index. For example, -3, -2, -1. The negative indexing starts from 1. -1 is the last element in list X. -2, -3. Print x of -2, -1, -2, m dot, -1, Almufti. In list, we can make sublist easily by using slicing. For example, in X, Saman, M, Almufti. For example, Python, programming, X of 0 to 3. 0, 1, 2. The third one, 3, is not included. Print x of 1 to 3, m Almufti. Print 3 to end, Python programming. We can unpack a list to variables. For example, if we have list of 3 items, Saman, m Almufti, variable x, y, and z. X, y, z. 3 variables, list of 3 items. The number of variables should be equals to number of elements. The first element with index 0 will goes to the variable x, second one y, third one z. Unpack list. Sequence unpack. For example, if we have a list of 5 element. Three variables and 5 elements. If I run this program, it should return an error. Too many values to unpack, which means the number of elements is more than the number of elements, the number of variables. To solve this problem, we can use the star key. For example, if I put Z before Z star, the first element will goes to X, the second element Y, and the rest of the list to the Z. X, Y, Z. X star Y Z. The first element X, the last element Y, and the remaining elements Y. X Z Y. Membership functions. In list, we can check for a specific value, a specific element by using the keyword in. For example, x equal this list. Value s in x. We will print s. We will check s in x or not. If we have the value s, element s in the list, it should return true. Otherwise, it will return false. We have here the fourth element s, then it should print true. For example, if I put SA, false. We don't have an element SA with value SA. As we said before, Python is case sensitive. For example, Saman. Here we have Saman, but the first letter is capital, uppercase, and here in this value the first character is small or lower s. It should return false. We have many built-in functions in Python that can be used with list easily. For example, append, copy, count. Append. The first function, append, is used to add an element at the end of list. For example, x.append Python. When I run this program, a new element will be added to the end of x at the end of x after the element a. Python. Append is used to add element to a list, to the end of a list. Copy. The function copy is used to copy a list. For example, if I have x y equal x, x of 2 equal new value abc. I have a list, and then I declared a new list, new variable y, which is equal to x. I make the copy of x inside y. Then print x, print y. After changing the x to print x, print y. In this case, the change will be made in both x and y. X and y has been changed because y equal x. It's not a copy, a true copy. In Python, every variable is located at a unique memory location. If more than one variable have the same values, for example x and y have the same value, have the same list, then it share the same memory location. When a change is made in a specific part of the memory location, then this change will be done in both variables. Y equal x dot copy. Y equal x is dot copy is a true copy of x. Then when I change an element of x, it doesn't change in y. X dot copy. Y have a value and memory location different from x. Count returns the number of elements with a specific value. For example, if x dot count, if I check number of value s, element s, 1. We have one element with value s. 2. 1. extend, reverse, clear. Extend is used to merge two lists or to add the element of a list to another list. For example, if I have x equals Saman m Almufti s a s, y equal 1 2 3, x dot extend y, then print x. X has been changed to Saman m Almufti s a s 1 2 3, s a s 1 2 3. Reverse. It easily reverses the sorting order of the element. The last element will become the first element in the list. X dot reverse and print x. The last one is s a s Almufti m Saman. It easily reverses the order of the list. Clear, remove all elements from a list. X dot clear. It will return an empty list with no element. Insert, pop, remove. Insert. The insert function is used to insert a specific value in a specific position. Insert into position 2 value A, B, C. Index 2, insert ABC. Index 0, index 1, index 2. The list will be Saman M ABC Almufti SAS. The output Saman M ABC Almufti SAS. The second, the index 2 will be ABC. Pop. Remove element at a specific position. Pop index 0. Saman will be removed from the list X. M Almufti S. Pop index 3. S has been popped from the list. Remove, it's also return or remove an element. For example, remove m dot from list X. Saman Almufti. M has been removed. Usually, remove function remove the first occurrence of the value. If I put remove s, the first s will be removed and it will not check for the rest of list. The second s will not be removed. Sort, forward, reverse by criteria. The sort function return a sorted order of element. For example, if I have x equal Saman m Almufti s a s, x dot sort, the output is Almufti m s a s s, capital, ordered, small, ordered. Reverse reverse equal true, t capital. It will return s a small, reversed order, small, capital, reversed order. By length key equal length. One character, length 1, length 1, length 1, length 2, length 5, length 6. Reverse equal true. Length 6, length 5, length 2, 1, 1, 1. Max, min, sum. The max function will return the maximum value in the list, minimum value in the list, and sum of the list with min function and sum. For example, if I have y equal 1, 1, 4, 6, 9, 22, 0. Y z equal max y, maximum of y. It should return 22 and print z 22. Minimum of y 0. Sum of y 42. The summation of elements in y list. In this lecture, we have learned about various built-in function that can be used in list. Append to add element at the end of list. Clear to remove all element of a list. Copy, it returns a copy of a list. Count returns number of specific element in the list. Extend to add to list, to merge to list. Index return a specific element in the list. insert to add an element to a specific position, pop, remove element at a specific position, remove, remove the first occurrence of the element, required element, revert the order of list, sort the list, maximum value in the list, minimum number or minimum value in the list, the summation of values in a list. Thank you.